Welcome to Delish. Today, we're diving behind the scenes of the article 100 classic and creative weeknight dinners you'll want to make tonight. Let's meet the team and discover the creative process behind this delicious masterpiece. The journey began long before the article was published. Recipes were carefully crafted, tested, and perfected by talented developers and food stylists. On November 26, 2024, Camille Loader brought it all together, updating and compiling the article for publication. This ultimate weeknight dinner guide features a wide variety of meals: pasta, seafood, vegetarian, chicken, and more, all designed to be quick and easy. Not only does the article categorize recipes for easy browsing, but it also highlights the convenience of one-pot, sheet pan, and casserole meals. Plus, you can shop for ingredients directly using Instacart. Now, let's meet the brilliant minds who made it all happen. Camille Loader. As the author and editor, Camille set the tone, ensuring the article was packed with practical tips for busy weeknights. Linda Pugliese and Julia Gartland. These talented photographers captured mouth-watering shots like creamy butternut squash orzo and chicken marsala orzo, making us want to dive right in. Adrienne Anderson and Brooke Hayton, food stylists extraordinaire. They worked magic to make dishes like Philly cheese pasta and shrimp tacos look as good as they taste. Andrew Lee, Rachel Banny, and more. Photographers like Andrew and Rachel brought other recipes to life, from stuffed peppers to pepper steak, showcasing the vibrant colors and textures. Sam Senabai and Mackenzie Gore, styling recipes like cheesy barbacoa fish bistec and chicken and broccoli. These experts ensure each dish was camera ready. Every contributor played a crucial role in delivering this incredible resource to our readers. The article doesn't just stop at recipes, it inspires readers with a bonus section, Wildly Delicious Weeknight Dinners, for even more ideas. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Delish and explore 100 classic and creative weeknight dinners. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories and culinary inspiration. Cast of characters: Camille Loader. Role: author or editor. Bio: Camille Loader is the individual credited with updating and compiling the 100 classic and creative weeknight dinners article. She is the voice behind the introduction, setting the tone and purpose of the article. She guides the reader on how to approach weeknight dinners, providing tips for prep and encouraging the use of easy one-pot meals. Linda Pugliese, role: photographer. Bio: Linda Pugliese is credited with the photography for creamy butternut squash orzo, Philly cheesesteak pasta, and whole roasted cauliflower. If you got good feeling, please like, comment, and subscribe.